Hello, good day. How are you doing? This is sorry, my name is Nasser Orozco. I'm a software developer and a web developer, and my company is right here. It's Econometric IT, and right now I'm going to introduce you to this great piece of software. It's a very big software, but very flexible, and it can be adapted to any size of business, to any type of business, to everything you need. What it does, to give you a perspective, this is like it's a very close competitor to the SAP and to Oracle as well, and it can do a lot for you. It can manage everything for you, and people like me, for example, we specialize in customizing it for the people, in developing and implementing and to adapt it to the client's needs, of course. And it has what it does. It does everything. It's an ERP. It will manage you the inventory. It will manage you such things as payrolls, and it also has a very elegant point of sale that can be customized. The version I'm going to show you right now, it's something customized by myself, of course. So it will be adapted to any kind of business, as I told you before. So one of the greatest things here is that it's web based. For example, you don't need to install it on every machine. You only need to install it in one server, virtualizing it. That of course we can do it, and you can access via the web right here. You can go, for example, with any domain here, and you redirect it right here to your server. And the way it works is like we convert your local server, your local computer into a web server. So anywhere you are, you can access there. You can create as many companies as you want. You can create as many users as you want, and it's not. It won't be limit you, for example, for one user per machine and all that stuff. Forget about it. This is the new world, and this is getting even better. For example, let's go inside. Hold on, just a little sec. There you go. Oh, there you go. Let's wait until it's loading. This is the first time it's loading this database. Okay. And right now, I have installed only a few features here, but you can manage your payroll. You can manage your, as I told you, warehouse management. You can manage a lot of things here. You just the client needs to ask what it needs only, and then we can do it for them. For example, right now, let's go to the point of sale so you can see it. This point of sale adapt itself because it is web based to any dispositive there. You can use it in iPads. You can use them in tablets, in your cell phone. Okay, so you only need to have an internet connection if you are away. For example, if your server is installed in Rio Rico, in Nogales, anywhere, you can open an office in Flagstaff, for example, and you still can use the same software, the same, because you will be connect through it via the web server. Okay. Hold on just a little bit. As I told you, it's configuring itself because it's the first time it's loading here. And you can see you can every product you load here, you will specify here that it will be loaded to be under the point of sale, and you can display here by categories. Here, for example, you have you have tables, you have for the golf course, you have I don't know, anything you need. And the great part is that you can separate, for example, in two companies. Let's say you have a restaurant, but you also have a hotel. You can create both companies under the same software with no extra cost, not anything, and they can be related to each other. For example, you must to declare, of course, which one is your mother company and which one will be their child, some of that stuff. So This is an example how it works. It will adapt itself, for example, to any dispositive, as you can see here. There you go. Okay, and you can make charges there and everything. You can specify if there's an electronic payment, there is a cash payment, anything you need. And it also works with every printer, with every POS printer. For example, I'll always recommend the Epson ones, and that's all you need to do. And let's go out. And of course, it needs to be configured for each client. It has to be implemented for each client. We can import all the products you have. We can import all the users you have, and then you will specify with roles. For example, if you want this one person to only take charge of the point of sale, once they load, they have to specify how much money is in, how much money is out, and they will only have access to the point of sale. And you can do a lot of things here. You can a lot of things. There's also apps on the Android repository where you can download and connect it here to your program, to your software. And it's nice because it doesn't matter if you cannot go to your office. You can connect always from your cell phone. You can connect always for everywhere in the world. You have internet. You can access there, and you can make in real time transactions. You can make in real time adjustments to the inventory. I just added some models here to specify the margin, to specify how much you're winning, how much you're losing. You have accounting itself, so you have everything here. Okay, and for example, you also have something that is very similar here to what you do on Facebook, to what you do in Twitter and all that stuff. Everything you do here over the company, it will be displayed here as a feed. Okay. For example, you have Martin that made some changes. They will display here. You can create discussions as well. For example, if there is a ticket, if there is something much to be fixed, you can send it to something you want to send as a responsibility to. So you can do a lot of things here. Everything is integrated into one piece. For example, here everything is updating itself. And let's say you have let's go to sales, for example. Let's go to sales, and you can assign homeworks to your employees. Everyone can do a lot of things here. You can be see the progress they are doing. Okay, let me show you how it works. You can create a discussion among the transaction. Okay, let's see the sales orders. Those are the customers you can upload there. Download it. This is for the. This only happens the first time when it's configuration. This is the first time I log here into this database that I made for the tutorial purposes. For example, you click here. You have two ways. You have, for example, you have more. You click more here, and you can duplicate. You can make a lot of stuff here, and also under here you can make, for example, a follower like in Facebook. You can add users here, and so they can see what happens if they can find a solution, something like that. Okay, and you can do everything. Everything is there. You can set permissions before everything, so to avoid problems in inventory. You can set, for example, if you need to approval one sales order, if you need the approval of some inventory entrance via purchase order, and you can do all that kind of stuff. Everything here, for example, in products, you must specify here if it needs to be weighted, if it is going to be under the point of sale, because you can have a lot of products you sell, but not all of them are going to be in the on the point of sale. So you can specify here, and if they won't be over the point of sale, you can create sales orders here so you can make the sale. Okay, it has prices rules where you can apply discounts to specified by the clients. If you, for example, there are several hotels here in Tucson that apply discounts to people from Mexico. You can do it here. You can do everything here, almost everything here. And then the greatest part here is that you can be able to update it in real time everywhere in the world, and you will have all your accountancy. You will have everything together into one piece. So I hope you like it. For further information and everything, we will be at your service. Okay. Well, have a good one, and thank you very much for watching us. Bye.